how to solve 1 power x plus 8 power x is equal to 64 power x. What is the value of x? So, we have 1 power x plus 8 power x is equal to 64 power x. Now, we divided by 64 power x in both sides. So, divided by 64 power x divided by 64 power x divided by 64 power x. Now, this will be cancelled. Now, 1 by x over 64 power x can be written as 1 over 64, then bracket common power x, because x same power but different base. According to this formula, a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n, then plus here we can apply again this formula. So, it will be 8 over 64, then bracket common power x, x same power but different base. Here n same power but different base, then is equal to here on. So, 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now, 1 by 64 can be written as 1 by 8 bracket power of 2, then second bracket power of x plus 8 over 64 can be written as 8 times 8, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now, we see this 8 will be cancelled. Here we can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So, according to this rule, it will be 1 over 8, then bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2 according to this rule, then plus 1 over 8 bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now, we see 1 by 8 bracket power x, 1 by 8 bracket power x, both term is same. So, let 1 by 8 bracket power x is substituted by t. So, our equation will be t square plus t is equal to 1. Now, we can write here t square plus t, then this plus 1 take to the left side. So, this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now, here I can apply quadratic formula. So, I can write here t is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 1, after that c will be equal to negative 1. Now, t will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So, it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now, I can write here t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, then minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now, t is equal to minus 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or t is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, divided by 2. Now, remember that let 1 over 8 bracket power x is substituted by t. So, t, that means it will be 1 by 8 bracket power x. So, t, that means it will be 1 by 8 bracket power x is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2, or t, that means 1 by 8 bracket power x. So, 1 by 8 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. We see 1 by 8 bracket power any number is always positive, but this is negative. So, positive cannot be equal to negative. So, this is rejected. Now, from here we take log in both sides. So, you can write here log of 1 by 8 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now, this power x will move to the base. So, it will be x log of 1 by 8 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now, we need the value of x. So, we divided by log of 1 by 8 in both sides. So, divided by log of 1 by 8 divided by log of 1 by 8. So, this log of 1 by 8, this log of 1 by 8 will be cancelled. So, here x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 then base of 1 by 8. So, this is the value of x. So, this is our final answer. How to solve? X power x is equal to 2 power of 8. Find the value of x. So, we have x power x is equal to 2 power of 8 can be written as 2 power of 2 times 4. Now x power x is equal to, here I can apply this exponential rule that a power of m times n is equal to a power m, then bracket power of n. So according to this rule, I can write here 2 power 2, then bracket power of 4. Now x power x is equal to 2 power 2 is same as 4, then power of 4. Now here I can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here, x will be equal to 4. So 4, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.